always trying to see through your flaws, 'cause I know that you got so much more to give. You made a real mess, but I miss you though, 'cause I can go to sleep when I'm alone again. Say you wanna fix our problems.
So hey guys, and good morning, and as you have seen the title, we are going for a short ride. So the bike's ready, so let me quickly start the bike and get on the road because Naveen is waiting for me. So yeah, let's quickly start the ride. Alright, so I'm all geared up and it's 4:26 a.m. in the morning. The trip meter has been set to 0. So the destination is a waterfall, it's somewhere near the Malshes Ghat. So Naveen has already left and we are meeting at the same exact point. So yeah, it's not raining though, तो थोड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है. Although I'm wearing my rain liner, just in case अगर बारिश होती है तो फिर I don't want to get wet. But yeah, apart from that, it's good. I have to. Oh God, बहुत ज़्यादा humidity है. So yes, quickly निकलते हैं. I'll meet Naveen and then I'll show you the road. Okay, so I just got a call from Naveen that he has reached. तो बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है कि बहुत लंबे समय के बाद एक राइड पे जा रहे हैं. I think I went for a ride in the month of March, but उसके बाद कोई लंबी राइड हुई नहीं थी. And it's 4:30 a.m. in the morning, so the weather is a little humid. उतनी ठंडी नहीं है. It has rained over here. So yeah, look at the lights. These lights are amazing. It gives you another confidence. But yes, I think he must be waiting. Yeah, I can see him. I just hope ये लॉकडाउन पूरी तरह से खुल जाए, so राइड थोड़ी और लंबी कर दे. So yeah. आज मैं लेट हो गया ना. हे हाय. ग्लव्स भूल गया. अपन कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
क्या हो गया?
लोकेशन कौन सा है?
मालशेज घाट.
कोई कुछ प्लेस है ना वो कुछ पर्टिकुलर?
हाँ, कालू वाटरफॉल.
कालू वाटरफॉल. ओके, चलेगा. चालू है. So we are going to Kalu waterfall. Location just confirmed.
ये देख.
All right, sure.
अरे करण.
Hey, hi करण.
इसका हमारे भाई साहब का YouTube.
ये देख इधर डाल के रखा इस बार सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए. Okay, so we are all set to go. तो Kalu waterfall is the destination. तो देखते हैं, मज़ा आएगा. I'm not usually a big fan of waterfalls. I usually like to go on the mountains and all. But ठीक है, for a change and it's good. और ये अचानक से बारिश बढ़ गई है, So yeah, I have to be a little more careful because low roads थोड़े से slippery होने के chances है. And potholes तो कहीं से भी आ सकते हैं. So I have to be a little more careful. So look at the view. I think सुबह हो गई है. It's 6 a.m. in the morning. We are into the Malshes Ghat and the road is amazing over here. Much needed susu break. It's 6:14 a.m. in the morning. पूरी तरह से सुबह हो गई है. The visibility is good now. So now we can ride safely without the lights and all. So yeah, let's see. Let's get going. Look at the fog. So just quickly slow down so you can get a better view. Wow, this is amazing.
Trying to see through your flaws, 'cause I know that you got so much more to give. You made a real mess, but I miss you though.
So exactly 100 kilometers completed. Time is 6:46 a.m. in the morning and we are now entering that place, Kalu waterfalls I think it is called. So yeah, look at the weather. It's so peaceful. I had removed my gloves because lens fog up हो गया था. Just putting my gloves back on. Okay, this might be the place where we have to go. Let's just take a quick halt. Let me park the bike properly. अरे नहीं, मैं जगह ढूंढ रहा हूँ रुकाने के लिए। ये हाथी को पार्क करना बहुत डिफिकल्ट है बे। भाई नेटवर्क आ गया है, अपना अपना जियो रिचार्ज कर लो। नेटवर्क आ गया है, अपना अपना जियो रिचार्ज कर लो। Okay, so the waterfall road is here somewhere ahead. So the off-roading patch begins. तो यहाँ से have to be a little careful, वरना अगर बाइक गिरी ना तो बैंड बच जाएगी। Although I'm wearing all the complete gears, पूरा geared up हूँ, but still. ना बेटा ना, ना बेटा ना।
इधर पता नहीं है मेरे को, शायद से ये है।
मैं सैडलिंग नहीं करने वाला हूँ क्योंकि ना मेरा इधर ये हो रहा है। हाँ
शायद से ये है।
रुक ना, टायर मार्क्स दिख ना, वैगनर क्या उसका
क्या हो गया?
मैप लगाना है क्या?
घंटा मैप में बताता है ये।
अबे वहाँ पे नहीं है, ये पानी का पैच देख के जा रहा है वो। चल अभी ऑप्शन नहीं, ढूंढना तो है। अबे यार मैं इतने कीचड़ में नहीं डालने वाला बाइक। अबे पूरा डीप है। हाँ मेरा निकल जाएगा, तेरा पता नहीं। वो देखा क्या उसको, उसका पूरा व्हील गया था अंदर। वो ट्राई कर साइड से निकले तो।
आगे है क्या?
मेरे को नहीं पता, ये इस कॉन्फिडेंस से जा रहा है। अबे वीडियो के चक्कर में क्या क्या कराएगा बे।
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Saved by the bell. मरवाओगे यार तुम लोग। अबे तेरी नहीं प्रॉब्लम ये है ना कि पहले तू जा, क्योंकि इसका बाइक जाने के लिए देखना पड़ेगा डेप्थ कितना। मेरे को जाने में इश्यू कुछ नहीं है, मेरा बाइक फंसा ना तो हाथी खींचने से सब बराबर है, तेरा आप लोग खींच के निकाल सकते। रुक जा जा, मैं आराम से जा बस। ज़्यादा डिफ़िकल्ट नहीं है, पता है। पत्थर ही है। Okay, now this is gonna be a tough part. Let's do it anyways. क्या होने वाला, मैक्स टू मैक्स गिर जाऊंगा ना तो चलेगा, इतना कुछ ये नहीं है। ठीक है, इजी आ सकते हैं यार, कोई इतना प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। उसको संभालना बस। Oof. I think after slope of hill, पूरा gear में है, you know, the complete bike. I think now I have taken it. Oh. I think while climbing it would be a little difficult. The camera's battery is running low, so I'll have to charge this. It's 7:18. Still good. Fog hai, less crowd. Amazing weather. So bikes को यहाँ पार्क कर दिया है. Off-roading almost finished. So यहाँ से I think 5 minutes है. We have to walk for the waterfall and look at the wheel. Now it is going to be a tough job to take the bike out because the wheel will slip. So इसके आगे I'll show you. It's very steep. You know, I'm standing like this, so you can understand it is very steep down. So let's go near the waterfall. Only have to be careful because ये जो shoes है इसकी कोई grip का कोई guarantee नहीं है. So being very careful. And yes, the weather is pleasant. It's like 7:30 in the morning. But yeah, as far as we have decided, उस हिसाब से हम लोग time पे चल रहे हैं. So now I think I am at the center. So now you can understand how steep this is. So ये देखो. Maybe this way you can understand. The ground is very steep. So yeah, let's quickly go to the waterfall and वहाँ जाके कुछ amazing cinematic shots and so look at the view behind me. ये है वो view and this is how it looks. बहुत ज़्यादा fog है, so I'm not sure how is the visibility. So देखते हैं नीचे जाके. पानी का आवाज़ बहुत ज़ोर से है, तो have to be a little careful. Obviously हम लोग पानी में नहीं जाने वाले. We don't want to get wet because then it becomes a little irritating to ride after that. So yeah, I need to get good shoes because इसका कोई grip नहीं है, you know. So I still remember when I went to Tamini Ghat, this was the same sort of a view. So just check this out. इतने दूर नहीं है वो लोग. It's just because I'm using the wide angle, so इसीलिए वो इतना दूर लग रहे हैं. So yeah, let me settle down and then I'll show you guys the view.
Feels like I've had too much of drama, but I'm not ready to give in.
This is how the waterfall is looking and we are avoiding going in the waters because पानी का force ज़्यादा है and not interested in getting wet. So यहाँ पे रुके हैं. I've got rid of my shoes because shoes का कोई grip नहीं था, so I'm just walking barefoot. Look at the whole view behind me. It's foggy. It's like 8 AM in the morning, so यहाँ पे थोड़ा टाइम बैठेंगे, we'll relax and probably after that we'll leave. Luckily बारिश नहीं हो रही है, which is a good thing. So yeah, so far so good.
Feels like I've had too much of drama, but I'm not ready to give in. Feels like I've had too much of drama, but I'm not ready to give in.
So we were at that point. हम लोग वहाँ से अभी इस तरफ आ गए. The water crossing was not that difficult. It's just you have to be very careful. So thanks to Naveen कि हमने water crossing cross कर लिया है. यहाँ पे एक बहुत ही amazing view है, but because बहुत ज़्यादा fog है तो कुछ दिखने नहीं वाला. So we'll wait for another 5-10 minutes. अगर view दिखता है तो it's fine, or else we'll go. So we went in the water. पानी का force बहुत ज़्यादा था, but we were careful. We had all the bungees and everything. तो यहाँ से एक view check out करेंगे. उसके बाद अभी विल लीव बिकॉज अभी 8:40 हो गया है एंड वी आर हंग्री. सो ये एक व्यू चेक करते हैं, उसके बाद लेट्स गेट गोइंग. So my legs hurting because I'm not wearing my shoes. कोई शायद पत्थर सा लग गया होगा पैर में, which I'll check later. So yeah, देखते हैं ये व्यू यहाँ पे कैसा है. बता कहाँ से क्या व्यू आ रहा है. Okay, so look at the view. Alright, so we saw an amazing view, but fog बहुत ज़्यादा है, so you know बहुत long time तक कुछ view दिखने नहीं मिला. So now we've decided that we'll go back. 9 बज गए हैं, so we'll have our breakfast and उसके बाद we'll head back home. So अभी I have to gear up again because off-roading patch फिर से आने वाला है. So yeah, look at the view for the fun last time.
I'm always trying to see through your flaws, 'cause I know that you got so much more to give. You made a real mess, but I miss you though, 'cause I can go to sleep when I'm alone again.
So now we have done with the breakfast and the time is around 10 AM. So we have done the ride early because सुबह जल्दी निकल गए थे. So अभी इसके बाद he has to refuel करने के बाद we'll be going home. तो मार्चेस घाट में hopefully checking होगा, but it's fine. We have done the ride, तो ज़्यादा problem नहीं होगा. So I'll end the vlog over here. If you have enjoyed this video for whatever reason, then hit the like button. Comment down below what you think about this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel because a lot of videos are going to come soon. Stay safe, keep riding, and I will see you guys in the next vlog. Until then, bye bye.
I'm always trying to see through your flaws, 'cause I know that you got so much more to give. You made a real mess, but I miss you though, 'cause I can go to sleep when I'm alone again. Say you wanna fix our problems,